Say good luck to Mama. So, Mommy, you're gonna do great.
What happened?
Yeah, you're gonna do great. Yeah, Mommy. Yeah.
Alright, I'll ask
Mwah.
if anything she not clear, we make sure.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going on an interview. Yes, you've been wondering why you guys haven't seen me in a while, you know, baby duties. So today is my first time venturing out to get a work. So I was called yesterday to come in for an interview today. It's a receptionist position. I have experience in it, so it's okay. Guys, just wish me luck. I'm a bit late and this place is huge. The taxi took me all the way around the world. But I think I am close by. The gentleman at the front told me that it was to my left. Go down and to my left and take the second left. I don't know. 5 minutes. Whew. Wish me luck, guys. Yes guys, you guys might be wondering how was the interview. I did my best. Yeah, that's all I could do, my best. As I said before, it was a receptionist job. If I'm feeling the job, somebody asked me, them are asked me, text and asked me if I was feeling the job, if I like the job, if I like how the atmosphere was in the interview. It was okay. It was okay. Guys, guess what? I just got a phone call. And I got the job! Yes, I got the job, guys. I don't even reach in on my house yet. Just like I was in a taxi. I got the job. Good girl, do good. so excited of everything. Can't believe it. But guess what? That was yesterday. The clip that you just saw, that was yesterday. I went on another job interview this morning, and guess what? I got the job. So that's two job offers. 2 job offers. I could pick or choose both of them, but I'm gonna choose one. Excited, yes. Excited, yes. Yes, guys. So in the one yesterday, their interview process was like asking the regular questions. Tell me about yourself, what your weakness, your strength, the regular. The one this morning though was like a conversation. I didn't even know that. I was like there talking to a gentleman like I know the man from a long time. You know, it was used to fix car together, you know the way that? Yes. We had a conversation, and that is what I noticed with most of the employers here. Conversation. So when the ones yesterday asked me the generic questions, I was like, okay, I have to chip back into, you know, the Jamaican mode, because you know with Grilla Jamaica, with those questions, the regular. So I have certain conflicts, the regular. So I have to take them back, you know, pull out something out of the suitcase or out of the bag. That was the feeling there. But overall, they were impressed. I was impressed with myself too. Not to toot my little arm, but I was impressed. They were impressed, and they hired me. Not on the spot, like when I walked off, called to say that, we're offering you the job. So the receptionist job is a part-time. Both jobs are part-time jobs, and I'll still be able to take care of my kids. I haven't decided which one I'm going to choose as it, but I only can choose one. The noise in the background is Malika. Hold on. Yes, so she's been her little silly self. It being home for a year, it has been good. You know that when they're on a vacation, some person's on a vacation and like, oh, I can't wait to go back to work. Well, it wasn't me. It's just in the case that I just needed to start. It's a need that I need to start working. Need to put some experience on my resume. Need to get some money. But yes, right? Persons might be wondering, why am I going back to work this early? It's because my time is finished, or it's about to. My claim is about to be finished in the next few weeks. So I decided to venture out and look for jobs, which I think is the wise thing that I did. Malika is here laughing. People, I can't do anything without you. Always in the mix. Come on, say hi to everyone. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Did you say hi? I know she is going to miss me, but she'll be okay. So yes, every time I start talking, she'll to make sounds. Job. How did I get these jobs? You might be wondering. I went on Indeed, right? I applied for a bunch of jobs, like numerous jobs, right? Those are the first 2 to contact me, and they were the first 2 to contact me, and I went on an interview, and that was it, right? I just started last week, basically, applying for jobs on Indeed. They contacted me, and I just went into the interview and did 2 job offers. If I didn't get if I didn't get response from any of the employers, I would have printed, although I printed them, I would have dropped off some resume at as I said, if I didn't get any if I wasn't contacted by any of the employers, I would have printed some resumes and dropped them off. And luckily, I don't have to go out in the cold. So yes, for persons who are here and is trying to find job, can try that approach. Print some resume and drop them off. You might be surprised. A manager might just hire you on the spot. I'm trying to do a video now. You get the phone after I'm finished. Malika. So yes. Guys, just give the video a thumbs up by comment and congratulate me, or keep pushing me, guys. Yes. Give the video a thumbs up if you like the fact that I've gotten 2 jobs or gotten a job, or just give the video a thumbs up. I'm still nervous. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Hey Malika, tell everyone hi or bye. Bye. See you guys in the next video. See you guys in the next video. Yay. Bye.